Hi, come with me. I'm gonna make tea. I wanna make this is a lemon tree, so I normally like to make some tea out of the leaves. As you can see, we have, oh, can you see it nicely? Like we have this lemon here. Yeah, we actually have to harvest now. Yeah, but so I cut like leaves like this, and I'm just gonna put it like in water, boil, and then I just love that tea. It's like so delicious, and also I just like the smell. So I'm gonna show you when I actually finish with that. All right, so I have them here now. I'll actually add them to the pot. So look at this cute one that I got. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so here it is, starting to actually boil. You can see. Yeah. So here is the final product. Here is my lemon leaves tea. Very yummy, and it smells really good.